This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone XS Max with no charging issues. I connect the charger on power of iPhone. While connecting to the charger, the iPhone is power on, but after fully power on, no charging indication. Customer report and issues that while on charging, such problem appears and iPhone failed to charge wireless charging working, but the main cause was battery drain too fast. I check on another iPhone. You can see charging is okay. There are some hardware issues might be. The system of wireless charging is okay, but the main cause is the battery drain I already mentioned. If the iPhone is power on condition, power of iPhone first before disassemble. Let's go for repair. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remove battery always before removing flex and always remember, don't touch dot projector while the battery is connected. Otherwise, dot projector damage that cause Face ID failure. Let's observe the PCB status. The first observation is key to find the fault. The PCB looks fine and fresh with no prior repair sign, and can see some moisture like but no any water damage symptoms. While I connect the PCB to DC power supply, then 60 milliamperes auto take means some leakage present on iPhone. Let's separate PCB first. Most of the main IC is inside packed. I am here using preheater and temperature set to 180. Wait for the solder to melt properly. Don't use force while separate PCB that may break the pads. Remove the thermal adhesive glue. Clean both upper board and lower board pads carefully. Don't use force to clean and Aware of the small parts that may be broken or open, the whole pin must be flat and shiny. After diagnosis found the fault was from Tigris, called Anxi on iPhone XS and XS Max. Remove IC carefully and clean pads carefully. The small parts behind this IC must easily deform or broken. I am here using that IC from the donor board and put in the correct position. Let's revolve the lower PCB. All balls must be on same size. If the ball is big and small, then not soldered properly cause many other problems. Put some plugs. Let's fix the separate board and cool down for 5 minutes. Important notes that on this repair. After changing the degrees or angle, the leakage is gone but failed to charge again. The 90% of the problem was solved by changing degrees or angle. But some have added another problem too that waste my 2 hours to find the solution. The net name pp is open that connected to transistor and have no any continuity means the transistor is also damaged. So I replaced this on to and finally the problem was solved. Now the charging shows problem sorted out and fixed too. If that stuff is helpful and you have to get some new idea, then share with friends. Drop your valuable comment below and don't forget to post any query about that video. Feel free to contact us. We always give you information that is accurate. We don't deal with any spam. If you want to update yourself on Apple Center content, subscribe to our channel, the GSM Solution. Hello, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.